Imagine holding a hidden key, one that unlocks your deepest desires and wildest dreams. What if I told you that this key is already within you, waiting to be discovered? Welcome to our deep dive into Neville Goddard's groundbreaking work, At Your Command. In this video, you'll uncover the secrets to commanding your reality, harnessing the power of imagination, and transforming your life in ways you never thought possible. Picture the thrill of seeing your dreams materialize before your eyes, feeling the rush of endless possibilities unfolding. By understanding and applying Neville's principles, you'll discover how your thoughts and beliefs can command your destiny. Stay with us until the end, as we reveal a special technique that will elevate your manifestation practice to new heights. Ready to unlock your inner power? Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Stay with us, because at the end, we'll reveal a special technique that will elevate your manifesting abilities to an entirely new level. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's begin. Picture this: you hold the key to a door that leads to everything you desire: wealth, love, health, and happiness. What if I told you that key is within you, waiting to be discovered? Today, we uncover how you can command your reality and bring your dreams to life. With each minute, your understanding will deepen, and by the end, you'll be equipped with powerful insights and a secret technique to command your destiny. Neville Goddard was a mystic and influential teacher whose work has inspired countless individuals to transform their lives. His book, At Your Command, is a cornerstone of his teachings, emphasizing that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. But how exactly does this work? In At Your Command, Neville presents a radical idea that we are the operant power in our lives, and through the conscious use of our imagination, we can manifest our desires. This idea isn't just a hopeful wish, it's a practical guide to creating the life you want. Neville believed that imagination is the key to creation. When you imagine something vividly and with feeling, you are planting the seed for its manifestation. The concept is simple yet profound: what you imagine with belief, you bring into reality. Science backs this up. Neuroscientific research shows that our brain cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. This is why athletes use visualization techniques to enhance performance. When you imagine achieving your goals, your brain starts creating the neural pathways necessary to realize them. Belief is the bedrock of manifestation. Neville stressed that faith in your desired outcome is crucial. But this isn't blind faith, it's a deep, unwavering conviction that what you desire is already yours. When you believe it, you will see it. Think about the great achievers in history. They all had one thing in common: an unshakable belief in their vision. This belief propelled them forward, often against immense odds. Your belief acts as the fuel for your imagination, driving it to create your reality. Let's delve into some practical techniques you can use to command your reality. First, meditation. Quiet your mind and focus on your desired outcome. Feel it as if it is already happening. Second, visualization. Spend a few minutes each day vividly imagining your goals. Engage all your senses in this process. Third, affirmations. Speak positive affirmations that align with your desires. Use present tense and feel the emotions of already having what you want. Finally, gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for what you have and for what you desire as if it's already yours. Gratitude raises your vibration and aligns you with your desires. Let's hear from some real people who have transformed their lives using these principles. Mira was stuck in a dead-end job and felt completely hopeless. After learning about Neville's teachings, she started visualizing her dream career and affirming her success every day. Within 6 months, she landed a job that she loves, and her life has completely changed. John, an entrepreneur, used to struggle with financial insecurity. He began using Neville's techniques, visualizing his business thriving and feeling grateful for financial abundance. Now, his business is booming and he's achieved financial freedom. The journey to manifesting your desires isn't always smooth. Doubts and challenges will arise. Neville taught that these are opportunities to strengthen your faith and belief. When faced with doubt, return to your vision and reaffirm your belief in its inevitability. Persistence is key. Stay committed to your vision and you will overcome any challenges that come your way. Now, for the special technique we promised. Neville emphasized the power of the state akin to sleep. This is a deeply relaxed state, just before you fall asleep or right after you wake up when your subconscious mind is most receptive. As you drift off to sleep, visualize your desires with vivid detail and emotion. Feel as if your desire is already fulfilled. This technique can significantly amplify the power of your manifestations. Imagine a life where your dreams are not just dreams but your reality. By following Neville Goddard's teachings and techniques from at your command, you have the power to shape your destiny. Start today and witness the incredible transformation in your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and transformation. And remember, the magic is within you. Unlock it, embrace it, and transform your life. At your command, your world can change. Believe, imagine, and create. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in Neville Goddard's teachings and the powerful techniques we've shared, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps us reach more people and spread this life-changing knowledge. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on personal growth and manifestation. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together we can transform lives. See you next time.